All right, so let's talk about this. Madonna's blessings and more blessings to you guys. So this morning I was watching a video with Ragashanti where he played this little clip saying that um, with this Hispanic lady crying on Instagram saying that she voted for Trump and she's sorry now, so she voted for him because she never expected him was going to do these things. What things she's talking about? Round up all of these people, 200 odd people, and send them back to the country. How much people potential supposed to get deported, go back to them country, right? Um, when I listened to that clip, I was watching some videos with them on TikTok saying that they were voting for him because he's gonna make them make more money and all that stuff. No, I was listening to this lady from Guyana, and her husband is from the Middle East. And she was the one who gave her husband the paper, and he's from the Middle East. And I was listening to them talking about um, voting for Trump, and no, they are complaining that they're sorry because the husband for him, work for Trump, right? I don't know if him still work, but I'm used to work, but he used. So anyways, when I listen to them now, they were saying that, oh, they're sorry now because of the amount of people them when them are run up or send back wherever they come from. So me turn to them and me turn to her and me say, but now you the other day was talking about voting for Trump and whatever. So what changed now? And when you tell me say, because of that, me start to say, but these people, they really come like they have some, call it now. Is that dementia, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, bipolar? Which one? Me not even sure. What Trump was in already? Oh no. Who Trump is not like say, oh, he might got change overnight. That's who he was before. So what make you think he was going to do anything different? Him talk it, him said it through him campaign what he was going to do. So why are you now? I got sorry. You know that he was going to do this. Him never hide it. Him never hide it. That's why me understand say, wait there. Uno not think, uno not sense, uno one two no. Like you were the one who did a boast and attack or oh yes, I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna make it America great again, I'm gonna make this that, I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do that. So what changed now? Everything when I do, him same was going to do it. Weren't you listen to that? That was not important to you? So why now you're going to be sorry? We cannot see through it. He said it and he's doing it. It's not like him hide it and lie to you and say, oh, me I gonna do this, and then when him go, him said it. Him said he was going to do it. So you know the pan media ball because you know say you have a cousin or a friend or a family. This other one now, she has said that she not care because she's straight and her family not straight. You know, I said this before. People selfish, only think about themselves. I saw videos after videos on social saying that they want Trump to win because they want them to put them out of the country and whatever. Remember, you don't, once you're not documented, anything is possible. If you're documented, it's fine. But even if some people were documented, I'm just saying, he said it. The whole story is that it's not that him did not said it. Him said it. So the fact of the matter is that you are complaining now make you look stupid. All right, so I was watching an African too on Instagram that said that the ISIS are raiding the African stores and grocery stores, ShopRite in the community and so forth. I mean, if they have a list of people that they're looking for and the people them has done bad in our country and them want to clean it up, that's okay. But I was talking to this other lady that said, our cousin is here, she overstay. But what happened is that our son have autism. Island where they at, they don't give medication. So there's a possibility that she's going to go home and she's worried. Yesterday when I hear she say, I'm telling you, I am so stressed because my cousin might be go home with our son, and in the island they don't have that medications that he's taking here for his condition. So she came up on her visiting visa and she chose to stay because the baby sick, and them things say him mad down there when him have a sickness here, when them diagnose him with here in America. So the medication that he's getting, he might get free insurance, free this to help him. When him go back home now, him not gonna have that. Situation like that, you feel sorry for people in them situation there. Of course. You feel sorry for people in them situation. But for people who get up and do things that deserve and is against the law in a such way, me cannot feel sorry for them people. No. You come as somebody country, you gotta do right. You gotta behave yourself, be respectful of the law, and don't break the law. I mean, when them say, all right then, the speed limit is 65 and you choose to drive 80. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about when you go and hurt somebody, you know, you take away somebody's life from them family and them something there, and you expect say it should be all right. What about a lot of the people them will leave them country because them are look asylum, because them people are trying to hurt them in a them country there. What happened to those people? I don't know what's gonna happen if they go back to the country that they're from. They're not gonna be safe. I was thinking about those people that them scrape them up and them not have no stay. We don't know. But if people look asylum in a different country, shouldn't they get them stay right away or something like that because they were in danger from them country? Me don't really know how that work, but they should. But to round up the people them and send them back, and the another thing is, it doesn't matter if you're a citizen, yes or no. It's best for you to walk around with a picture of your green card or a picture of your passport here that you have because you don't know who's gonna scrape you up and take you. You don't really dep on the road like that. And me not get myself in no trouble in this country. Me not make nobody draw me to no extent where I'm gonna put myself in no trouble. Me not need to put myself in no trouble. Me like my peace. Me like humbleness. Me like quietness. Me like happiness. I mean not make nobody draw me out to that extent. Me prefer walk away. Me not see what could have caused me to go put myself in a trouble for them target me. No. Me like my peace. Me like speak my mind. Me like express myself. And me not trouble people. Me not trouble people. Most when we go to the grocery shop or go to the mall, you know, if me have any little thing for do. What cause people for go there and go do wrongs and know say it's against the land and not papers? Why? Why should you do things like that? It don't worth it. It not worth it. People are run up and down right now, because they have their list and they know say they use the address. I just there for mail out things. They know exactly where to find you. So people are run from people place to people place right now. The most people safe right now is the people them where living in a white person house, in a good neighborhood, in a good community, and them are go stay there. And then now go home and then now travel, they living at the house. Those are the people we're safe right now. Because them really now going at the white neighborhood them like that could trouble them people there. But then they have address because guess what? If you live there, you are mail things out. So they know. So you're there. They know, Once you have mail things out from there, once you have post things, you have the transaction, you have credit card there, anything. Them know. So you're there. Them know. So no matter where you hide, if they want to find you, they will find you. But that if you don't have no transaction for that address and you're there, you're living in a case, then I want rich people area, they're not gonna look for you. They not come for you at all. And it's not going to go in at the rich shape with them, go tear down people doors and so forth. They not going to go. They mostly in a the, you see where them there? Jersey, a lot of black people are in Jersey. New York, them in a them fast going state there, Chicago, and them place there. Them place there, a lot. So like, the state them will have mostly white people, like they're not in a them state they like that no more. And let me tell you, you see a lot of the racist white people, them, trust me, they get strength right now. I was talking to somebody yesterday, they tell me say, like this teacher um teach class and him go into the hospital with go to clinical, and the nurse were in charge. The man is a black man and him dep on him phone. And carry the nurse them going at the clinic and in the place to go do the clinical, and he must see the dep on him phone. And the way all the woman gone, I'm gonna write you up because the man dep on his phone. I'm gonna write you up. I'm gonna report you because what you're doing is wrong. You bring the girls here to do. I mean, she correct still enough. But the way should have gone, no, they have strength in the master. You can't talk to them enough. Then get back and get this whole divided thing is like it kick in back. It's like they switch back in like this robot thing and them not care about the people them way. I used to talk say everybody becomes one, them just divide back and gone back into this robot thing where them I don't know. I don't know. Just speaking just my opinions. I'm just speaking from my I'm just speaking from my heart. I'm just expressing myself. Anyways, Madonna, big up on yourself. Drop on the thoughts in the comment section below. And don't tell me what go on. We don't know. If you don't know nobody where, a friend, a cousin, where you feel like I go through this right now and I'm worried. People now go to school, the supermarket, grocery store, place, mall, they empty. Everybody now come out to come shop. Everybody a hide. It's so hard. I'm an in person. Me most of the home. I'm not really gonna away like that. So me not in trouble. Me alright still, but I'm just saying, I should talk about that. Because I have the citizen ID. I'll take a picture of it and keep it on my phone because you never know. Yeah. You just never know. You just have to be on the safe and narrow on this place. But them know who them I look for them know. But some of them, some of them out there that do these things, they are racist, and it's going to just make things bad because them see a black person and them just going to go after them because them feel like okay, you know. So yeah, it's frustrating. You see, my son, me tell him, me say, you see, because of your complexion, because my son is dark, is chocolate dark. Please always walk with your army ID so that you can show them this because you don't know what, And my husband work with the state too. I tell him say always have this ID that you show them. It's best to show them this ID because me think say then we have a little more sympathy. Yeah, because them say you're straight. Because if you're not straight, you cannot do them job your way. You're straight. Them job here, you cannot get them job here. So it's good when you have that. America turn upside down again. It kind of did calm down, but it's like no, they turn upside down, my love. Don't make the news every single day. hmm Later, and that was what happened 4 years ago. That's why I don't understand why some people act like them have been cuckoo. Like, where's your memory? It used to be like this when Trump was in, because that's what he said he was going to do. And a lot of his supporters, that's what they like. They like this kind of thing. They like it, you know. So what are you gonna do later?